My name is Luke Diggs, and I am a senior consultant here at Terillium. Today, just wanted to walk through one of our new sales offerings called Manufacturing Right. So I want to just touch in on some of its key features and also explain why it's the perfect fit to meet all of your business needs. So first off, what is Manufacturing Right? So, as I mentioned, Manufacturing Right is a new sales offering here at Trillium, and it's a pre configured NetSuite solution tailored specifically for those small and mid sized manufacturers looking to take that next step in their operation tracking. Focusing on core functionalities and necessities for manufacturers, Manufacturing Right really streamlines that NetSuite implementation using industry best practices, essential reporting, and built in workflows for automation. So, who can benefit from manufacturing right? So, like I mentioned, manufacturing right is perfect for those small to mid sized manufacturers looking to take that next step with a powerful ERP to really grab a hold of their shop floor and warehouse operations. With increased visibility into inventory tracking, item costing, item pricing, production reporting, and also shipping operations, manufacturing right gives the company the tools to run their business with efficiency and ease on the number one cloud ERP in the world, NetSuite.